Hi, today we're making everyone's favorite pumpkin pie. Thanksgiving and most holidays can be challenging for those who have an allergy or who are gluten-free due to celiac or sensitivity. I want to thank Trader Joe's for providing me with so many great options. I'm using the Libby's pumpkin pie recipe, which is a back of the can recipe, but you can find it on various websites and of course on the Nestle website. And you can find many different options for pumpkin pie, but I always go back to this one. It's the simplest. It calls for spices listed separately, but what I do is I add up all those spices and just substitute the pumpkin pie spice, which I like the flavor of. So if you hate math, I'll did it for you, and it's 1 3/4 of a cup. I'm using organic coconut milk. If you can have dairy or want to, you can use the evaporated milk the recipe calls for. And I'm actually not using Libby's brand. This year I have a brand I bought, I think, at the dollar store. And this wonderful gluten-free crust I got at Trader Joe's, which is non-dairy. And here's my tip for you for easy pie baking. Put it on a lined cookie sheet, either with foil or parchment paper, which happens to be in short supply where I live. That way when you're moving it in and out of the oven, it's much easier to handle on this cookie sheet. And if there's spillover, it just goes right onto the paper or foil, which you will throw out at the end. Make sure to make this pie in advance. You don't have to refrigerate it, but I find that it sets better if you do it the night before, or you can do it a couple of days before and refrigerate it. Now, if you want it to be egg-free, you can use a 1/4 cup soft tofu for each egg, or equivalent amounts of the egg-free egg substitutes, such as Bob's Red Mill or Energy. Enjoy your holiday.